Happy book unboxing day, Washington Henry. I'm so glad you're here. I can't wait to show you what we got this week in our newest box of books because there are some super good ones I know you're going to love. These books were back ordered, so it took a while to get here. We were hoping these books especially would get here before Halloween. Oh, sorry, they didn't, but they're here before Thanksgiving. The first one is called Read at Your Own Risk. Super creepy. The pages are really fun. They've got illustrations. They look like notebook paper. I know you guys are going to have fun reading this one. Read at Your Own Risk. We have got if you guys know Mary Downing Hahn, she writes a lot of creepy chapter books. We've got some in the library. This is called The Old Willis Place, and they've adapted one of her chapter books into a graphic novel. So if you like creepy and you like graphic novels, this is the perfect combination for you. Another book we were hoping would get here in time for Halloween, just because we thought it would be cute for Halloween. This is called Summer Vamp. It is about, it's a graphic novel, but it's about summer camp for vampires, and it's pretty cute and funny. So check out that one. We've got another new graphic novel called The New Girl. The main character is from Romania. So she's traveled to the United States with her family. She doesn't know the language. She doesn't know how to fit in. She's starting a new school. And it looks to be like a really good one. Oh my gosh, new in series, we've got the newest Investigators. It is called Class Action. We've got the newest Narwhal. It's adorable, Narwhal Sweet Tooth. We have the newest graphic novel in the I Survived. It's called The Destruction of Pompeii. We have the newest Babysitters Club graphic novel called Christy and the Walking Disaster. Another new graphic novel that looks pretty cool is called We Are Big Time. It is about a girl in Wisconsin who joins a basketball team that is really pretty terrible. And it's about how the girls get coached and they work really hard and they find this community and eventually their team is really amazing. So this is called We Are Big Time. It looks good. Oh, I know some of you, if you have read the other Sharon Draper books called Out of My Mind and Out of My Heart, this is the third called Out of My Dreams. I haven't read it yet, but it looks really good. We have the newest Press Start book. And last but certainly not least, we have Grumpy Monkey Play All Day. So there's some amazing books in this little box. I know you're going to be excited to check them out. Come see us in the library. I can't wait to check them out to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.